How to refresh WhatsApp contacts on Android. If a newly saved contact isn't showing up in WhatsApp, this video will show you how to refresh your contacts and fix the issue. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. From the main chat screen, tap the New Chat or green message icon in the bottom right corner. This will open your WhatsApp contacts list. If you recently saved a new phone number and it isn't showing here, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now, select Refresh. WhatsApp will refresh your contact list and check your phone for newly saved contacts. Once the refresh is complete, scroll through your contacts or use the search icon to find the person you just added. Keep in mind that the contact must have an active WhatsApp account registered with that phone number before they can appear as a WhatsApp contact. If the contact still doesn't appear, make sure WhatsApp has permission to access your contacts and that the phone number is saved correctly, including the country code. That's how you can refresh your WhatsApp contacts and fix newly added contacts not showing on Android. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.